This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maureen Vita. This brand new, never lived in, welcoming home with a private covered entry offers an open floor plan with split bedrooms and a den. Kitchen offers a gorgeous backsplash, with high-end appliances as well as a gas cooktop, a large island and a walk-in pantry. Den with lots of light, can be used as a third bedroom. Large walk-in closet and master bathroom with beautiful tile and walk-in shower and double sinks. Guest bedroom has a large closet and easy access to the guest bathroom. Enjoy the lake view from the lanai. The amenities at Azure are amazing, from the cozy gathering area as well as a library, catering kitchen, game room and the state-of-the-art fitness center all located in the community clubhouse. The community pool is large and inviting and offers a hot tub as well. There are many areas to gather around the pool, whether it is lounging in the sun or sitting under an umbrella or covered area. Be sure to take advantage of the pickleball and tennis courts. Azure at Hacienda Lakes is a gated community in a very convenient location, close to shopping, restaurants, downtown Naples 5th Avenue and 3rd Street as well as Marco Island and Amp, beaches. Window treatments will be included. For more information, review the details below.